Hi everybody, my name is Alisha. In this video, we're gonna look at a super common English writing question. Should I use its or its with an apostrophe or not? Let's take a look. First, let's take a look at the difference between the two words. Its without an apostrophe is the possessive form of the word it. That means we use this word when we want to talk about something that belongs to an object, an organization, maybe even an animal, for example. You might see it in a sentence like one of these. My cat likes to chase its tail. That company has some really strange policies on its website. Don't judge a book by its cover. All of these its come before something that is owned or operated by the subject of the sentence. In all of these cases, using an apostrophe in its would be incorrect. Its with an apostrophe is the reduced form of it is. I know there are probably a lot of people out there going, oh, but I learned that you should put an apostrophe at the end of a word before S to show possession. Isn't that true? That's what my teacher told me. That's not always true. Let's look at a few examples of correct uses of its with an apostrophe in writing, and then we'll talk about a trick that you can use to help you decide which one you should use when you're writing something. It's a beautiful day today. I want to go to my favorite restaurant, but I don't think it's open today. Whoa, it's 2 a.m. You should go to bed. In each of these example sentences, its with an apostrophe refers to it is. Yes, you can use it is, the unreduced form in these sentences, but unless you're writing something really formal and you want to try to be polite, using it is in your sentence is going to make you sound stiff and kind of weird, so I don't recommend it. Okay, so now let's take a look at a really quick trick that you can use if you're not sure which its you should use in your sentence. You just need to take a look at the sentence that you're wondering about. Let's use a sentence like, the dog knocked over something something water bowl. So in that something something point, we need to decide, should I use its or should I use its with an apostrophe? I'm not sure. What you can do is try replacing that blank spot with it is, and then read the sentence. Does it make grammatical sense? For example, the dog knocked over it is water bowl. Nope, that's nonsense, not grammatically correct. So we know that its without an apostrophe is the correct form to use. If we use its with an apostrophe, it's going to show it is. That's the reduced form, it is. And that doesn't make grammatical sense. We just tried it with our it is test. So you have to use the apostrophe-less form here to show ownership. Okay, great. So we know the differences between its and its, those two forms, and we also know a trick to help us decide which form we should use when we're writing. But there's another level to the its drama, and that's when its with an apostrophe is used to mean it has, as in, it's been such a long time. Ugh, look at your dog, it's eaten my dessert. Okay, so this use of its is super common in speech, and we also use it a lot when we're writing casual messages. You see it in text messages, on social media, maybe in emails that you send to your coworkers or your friends, whatever. So how do you know when you should use this its, and how do you differentiate this its with an apostrophe from the its that means it is that we talked about before? So the key with this use of its is to look at the word that follows its. In these example sentences, we see been and eaten. These are the past participle forms of the verbs be and eat, yeah? So this structure creates the present perfect tense. So to recap, when you're reading or when you're writing and you're not sure about which its you're looking at or which its you should use, remember, you need to use another word with it for it to get an apostrophe. It plus is equals its with an apostrophe, and it plus has equals its with an apostrophe before a past participle verb. Its by itself, no apostrophe, indicates ownership. So there you go. There are a few quick tips that you can use when you need to decide if you should use an apostrophe in this word when writing or not. I hope that this also helps you identify which its you're looking at when you're reading. All right, so I hope that this video increased your confidence with the word its and how to spell it and read it. If you want to use your newfound its knowledge to leave some example sentences in the comments, please feel free to do that. And of course, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more writing, punctuation, and spelling tips. I'll see you next time. Bye!